Hello guys, today I'll show you how to invest UK stock market. Firstly, a share or stock represents ownership in a company. Where you buy shares, you become a part owner of the business and can benefit from its success. You can have an ordinary shares, which is the common type, or preferred shares, so not voting rights, but priority for dividends. For example, buying shares of Tesco means you own a small part of the supermarket chain. You can invest or trade in different ways. Stock investing, like buy and hold shares for years, earn dividends and benefit from a long time growth, and can invest in individual stocks or ETFs or exchange traded funds. You can also do stock trading, like trade stocks daily, weekly, or monthly. Use strategies like day trading, swing trading, and CDFs. It can profit from both rising and falling markets. Finally, you should always understand the risks. Stock prices, fluctuations, and dividends aren't guaranteed. And finally, market risks. And that's it, guys, as simple as that. Now all you have to do is open a UK share trading account, then start investing. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.